Hi, everybody. My name is Jay Barker, and I lead the Datadog engineering team here at RapDev. Here to talk about Observability Pipelines, which is a product within Datadog that allows you a lot of flexibility in the information that you send into Datadog via your log streams. That can be anything from being able to send your log data to multiple different sources, being able to set up quotas to allow for cost governance, or even be able to audit and scrub sensitive data from your logging infrastructure. In our experience at RapDev, one of the most prominent use cases that we see for observability pipelines is cost control. Logging can be very expensive if left unchecked, and we help out with a variety of use cases where we see that folks are able to reduce the cost of their logging into Datadog dramatically, in some cases 40% or more. Things like being able to drop specific types of logs, being able to remove debug logs and sample them, and a variety of other ways that we allow folks to maintain cost control without losing observability. One of the things as well that we see in very complex environments is very complex use cases. So although observability pipelines does allow for a variety of templates to be able to get you very quickly onboarded into the platform, they also allow for VRL, which is the vector remap language that observability pipelines is built upon, to be able to allow for very customized VRL-based queries right in the Datadog UI. One of the more common asks that we have is how to keep cost under control as you scale out your Datadog footprint across your environment. So one of the things that we have found especially helpful in recent deployments is the ability to have quotas based on a variety of tags. So you can set up quota-based systems across whether it's team tags, environmental tags, etc., and be able to set up specific routes from there, whether it's dropping events from that point or being able to go directly to archive-based destinations like S3 buckets, so that you're being proactive around cost controls and not having to spend your time chasing down cost overruns in your environment. One of the other nice things about observability pipelines is, just like anything else in Datadog, observability comes first. So being able to actually monitor the pipelines themselves via built-in dashboards, recommended monitors is already a part of the platform, so that you don't have to worry about monitoring yet another system. That comes pre-baked for you, and you can see how your pipelines are doing holistically right from within Datadog with everything else. From a business lens, we've seen in some cases a reduction anywhere from 30 and more extreme cases up to 70% reduction in overall cost control or savings in specific environments based on log volume and opportunities in specific accounts. So in some cases, that could be info logs being sent that don't actually have needs from a cost perspective, being able to have data that is sent to cold storage to be rehydrated later if needed for audit purposes, or other examples even where APM or some other functionality may actually fit the need outside of logs in particular. At the end of the day, observability pipelines is about making sure that you have the power over your data that you send into Datadog in a way that's clear, actionable, allows ownership across your teams, and allows you to scale efficiently within the Datadog platform.